Hey guys, this is Eric Miller at ISTFA 2023, and I'm here at RKD Engineering with Kenny. And Kenny, you're going to tell us about your cool thingamajig that does stuff. So tell me what is it and what does it do?
We're a company that builds acid decapsulation systems, and it's pretty much what we specialize in. We have about 4 generations of this tooling. And I kind of want to move over to our latest and greatest. It is called the Mega Etch. Essentially, it's still one of our popular etcher systems. We just enhanced its cover size to do on-board etching so that you can still operate the IC. Traditional covers are a little smaller and can't accept larger PC boards, such as this. This is actually something I did for a company. They wanted this as an RF hack board that I hacked on an etch. So I removed the epoxy from there, expanded it so they can turn it back on and actually analyze this chip and still functionality. And also because of this design and this mechanical design of the lift cover, I was able to also make some special fixturing that nobody else has but us exclusively. This eliminates the ability to do too much stack-up capabilities to get to your IC to seal for the wet etch process. And this fits over the etch head. It gives you the opportunity so you do not have to remove any of the components sitting on board.
Okay, so there are a bunch of other de-encapsulation systems here at the show. So what makes yours super cool? Why would somebody go with you instead of somebody else?
Well, I would say not only were the only ones that invented this size of a decapper, we have the smallest footprint still in the market, lightest weight. We have all kinds of material science. We're the only ones with ESD mitigation to our tool. We've mastered the pump technology of this, and we give the greatest warranties in the market. Okay. We have a lifetime warranty on our pump. We give an easy 2 years of the system.
Okay, so if someone wants to find you online, how do they get a hold of you?
So they can go to our website, is rkdengineering.com, and they can see anything we have as far as product line, upcoming events, how to get a hold of our customer service. If you want a quote, you can go through there as well. All right.
Well, thanks a lot, Kenny.
All right, thank you.
Good luck to you.
All right, take care.
Okay.